Are you gonna vlog?
I am vlogging right
Oh
now.
shit! Let's go.
Why can't you Snapchat? Oh, okay, yeah.
Wait, are you vlogging or like?
I am vlogging. It doesn't really go to the waterfall.
Let's go.
It doesn't go to the waterfall.
I don't know that.
Okay, in case I drop my phone.
Beautiful. Use the other step, woman.
But I like being dangerous. No. Nah. There's nothing there! Okay, are you gonna go?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. No, go that way, yeah. He found a path. Yeah. And somehow I got from there, focus, to here. That's pretty steep, but it'll be fine. Why are you sitting, man?
Go to those two other waterfalls.
Yeah.
Wait, is this not a loop?
No.
I don't know.
How far?
It's okay, it's easier going down.
Isn't it more work? It's more work going down, isn't it?
Yeah.
Usually. If you can reach it through your
You
jacket.
could roll down.
Get it?
Can I get some water too?
Yeah.
I'll lighten
It's
your
5 year
load.
period, guys.
Thanks, guys. I was being on a bag,
You're supposed to bring in a bag if we're going hiking.
but there's nothing else I need to bring but
Water.
water.
Who the fuck brings
Snacks.
a leather jacket to go hiking?
That one.
We get over that now.
Look at what he's wearing.
Oh, no.
Judged. Are you okay?
Yeah. It's pretty hot.
Oh my god, superstar right there. Right, our water break. Bye. Our second waterfall, and now we're missing down. That's crazy. Oh my god. We hopped the fence, yeah. And we're so close. We're gonna be there. It's so cold! I just went under the ball. And that's what we went. Yeah, that was fun. See, we're going there. YouTube control.
Can't throw that now.
Yeah, I can!
How do you spiral?
Huh?
How do you throw a spiral?
Aren't you rugby?
Come on, let me teach
I
you.
don't throw that shit.
You flick the fingers.
Wow.